Hi everyone. This is the introduction to the course of simulation of business systems and in decision making. As you know, simulation is a very advanced tool which can be used to study complicated systems of systems and its performance. Many of us, especially in systems engineering, management and other aspects, try to study systems in pieces. And in that process, what happens is important information gets submerged and you will never be able to identify the actual behavior. This course is aimed to focus on how to study a system, a complex system of systems, using next event stochastic simulation. What are the aspects of simulation? How do we do the modeling? How do we do the validation, verification of the models? How do we do statistical analysis of the output of the simulation? And from more than that, how do we draw tangible, actionable conclusions? The aim of here is to ensure that the decision makers who are supposed to look into the data, complete data, valid data, and study the behavior of the system can do this when you have past and historic data. When you don't have such a data, you need the data from some place. And one way to do it is to create a realistic model of the system. And that's what the simulation is going to do. This course is aimed at is how to build simulation models using various tools, exposure to different simulation programming languages, and more than that, how to use a simulation as a tool for doing what we call as prescriptive analytics. An example is when you go to a doctor, you say these are the symptoms I have, and the doctor, after establishing the symptoms, form a mental model, identifies the disease and provide medicines to solve it. Same way, when you identify symptoms in the behavior of a system, as an analyst, you're supposed to look at this one, develop a mental model, or maybe instead of a mental model, you might be using a computer simulation model. In this course, it will be more focused towards a next event stochastic model. And using that model, you do analysis like blood tests and other things being done by the doctor, identify what are the causes, and once you identify the causes, then you basically go ahead and use that one and find the treatment for the same. So we hope that this course will be a beneficial course for all the alike, both students, researchers and practitioners who are interested in working in complex systems of systems. And I hope that we all have a fun time learning together. Thank you very much.